Good morning, my fearless ones. Happy Saturday. It is November 2nd, and the title of the video is the DoorDash Kit. Now, if you can remember, and I hope this background is not bothering anyone, it's just some nice, tranquil meditation music that I usually play sometimes when I'm working. So I just got up about 20 minutes ago. I slept in a little bit because I didn't go to bed until like 2:45, 3 o'clock. Last time I checked my watch or on my phone, it was like 3 o'clock. So I did sleep into about 10, and I'm getting up because I have to leave the house at 11:30, and I wanted to do this video. So if you can remember that I applied for DoorDash October 30th, and it was around noon, and I did it on my phone. And they required, your driver's license number and your social security number. They run the background. The background only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then they move you forward to the next stage. The next stage is they will ship you the kit. Now, I got my kit yesterday, which was November 1st. So it really didn't take 4 days like they said. It only took two. And here's what came in the kit. I opened it up yesterday, but this is what it looked like. And inside of that package is this. And it's to carry the food and what they call a red card. So you go in on the app, and I should have had all of this stuff together before I even started the video, but my phone was on the charger. So inside the app, I'm just going to go to the front. This is the app, you guys. Let's see if I can see. It gives you your locations, but when you first start, you enter in your information. You activate your red card. Here's what it says: red card. You put in that information on your red card, from your red card inside of here, and it activates it, right? That red card is for people that have not paid for their food. You will pay for it when you pick up the meal from whatever chosen restaurant that um the person choose to order from, and that's what you would do. Now, I thought this would be so fun to do today. I don't know why I'm doing this. Maybe because I'm just want to get out the house. Um, I haven't actually worked for someone since December 2014. I pretty much resigned from my state job, and I worked on the military base. So I haven't actually went into a job and worked with someone since then. So it's almost like 5 years. In December it'll be 5 years. So since I set this app up and it seemed like it's really, really simple, my daughter have to be to work between 12 and 4. And this is the one that don't drive yet. So we live in like a rural area, and I thought it would make sense for me to just DoorDash while she's at work. So last night I picked up a shift, and this is what you do. You go in and you pick up shifts, and they have locations. What they do is you turn on your locator, your GPS system, and it will find all of the cities in your area that DoorDash. Pretty much everyone's city is DoorDash now, right? So, and then it gives you shifts. Like this shift is between 2:30 and 4 o'clock. She have to work from 12 to 4. So, she usually take about 20, 30 minutes to get out of there because she worked for Old Navy, and they usually don't just let her out on a Saturday at 4 o'clock. So I will DoorDash between 2:30 and 4 delivering orders, and I will give you guys an update. If I can, I may even record me going to the restaurant and um, actually pulling in front of the person's job or home to deliver the meal, and I will give you an update of what I think. Now, I went onto YouTube and just typed in DoorDash because I wanted to see other people doing this. And one young lady, she make like $700 a week door dashing. Now, I'm not going to do that much dashing, you guys. This is strictly for the weekend because usually my daughter work every weekend and she only work 4 hour shifts. And we live in a rural area and it just makes sense for me to dash right there because she work at the mall. So that would be considered like a hot spot, right? So for 4 hours, if I can get those shifts, I will just DoorDash, make some extra money instead of coming all the way home and then going back to pick her up. Now, my usual schedule would be I would go to the gym because the gym is about 4 miles from the mall. I would go to the gym and work out for about 2 hours, and then I would maybe do some grocery shopping and run some errands, or maybe even do a little light shopping at the mall. I will go to Earthbound and pick their clearance rack, look at crystals, metaphysics stuff. But I want to do this because it seemed like it's really, really fun and kind of tired of sitting in the house. And it's always extra money. And I'm so far at making some honest extra money. So I'm going to try it out today for an hour and a half. And I will definitely do another video. Excuse the crack on the phone. Um, I will not upgrade this phone until it completely stops working. It still works. It ring. I can get online. I can text. So it do what it needs to do. But excuse the crack. That's what I want to do. I want to give you guys an update. It was just that simple. I did it at around 12:30 Thursday. And I got my kits yesterday. And I think the mailman ran about 1:30 because I heard him put the mail in the mailbox, but I didn't get it out until like 3:30 when I went to pick up my son. But I did see because I usually have my blinds open when I'm at home working just to see what's going on outside and to give my plants some light. So I seen him when he delivered it. So really technically only took 2 days. So if you like scrap the cash and you have a vehicle, this sound good, but I will definitely update you guys on the pay. But the young lady showed how she made $700 a week, and she works 6 days a week, and her shifts are split like mine. Like I could have went in and said, okay, I will work from 12 to 4 if it was open. But there are other surrounding cities as well. So this is really great for someone that has like a compact car and don't drink very much gas, and you can kind of maneuver around the city fast in it. Good money. $700 is not bad at all, especially when you're not working beside anyone. There's no bosses. This is still like independent contracting, but I haven't actually got up and went to a job physically and dealt with other people face to face since 2014. So I'm going to DoorDash today. And I was thinking, what am I going to wear? So I'm just going to wear this Gap t-shirt and put on some Old Navy jeans and some tennis shoes and a pullover with my hat, a beanie, because it's kind of chilly and I'm cold natured. And then I'm going to have my gloves on and I'm going to DoorDash. And like I said, if I can't record it, which I probably won't because I don't have one of those stands in my car, I will just give you an update. So I will record a video tomorrow morning and let you guys know how it went. Now she work again tomorrow from 12 to 4 as well. So if something becomes available, I will definitely put myself on the schedule from 12 to 4 and I will just sit in the mall parking lot with my Nook. I mean my Kindle, because that's what's playing. It's actually my Kindle connected to my computer speakers. And like I said, I will play this type of music or, whatever it is that I want to listen to while I'm working and just to keep the energy in my workspace clear and clean. That's the beauty of working for yourself. That's the beauty of independent contracting, because I only have to deal with myself. So when myself is not right, I have to check my own self. So yeah, what else? That's it. It's really really simple. I also last night signed up for Uber Eats because I wanted to see how it works. So for now, under this video, I will have a link, and there are bonuses if you sign up with DoorDash. So I will have a link below the video. Um, like I said, you're looking for some quick cash and you just don't have time to be doing, not going through the motion. This is it. But of course, every company that you work for, you guys, they're going to do a background on you. So that's the nature of the beast. Until next time, you guys, enjoy your Saturday. And I will see you tomorrow with an update on DoorDash delivery drivers. Bye.